Hello, welcome to another Polkadoodles video. In today's one I've been playing around with some wreath designs using the Sketchy flower stamps from Polkadoodles, and I've been playing with them with the Minimalist Art Colour Block Duo stencils, and you can use these in multiple different ways, whether you want to use them as blobby background kind of shapes just to add a little bit more interest to your card and maybe make it look a little bit less clean and simple. You've got a bit of an arty flair to it, or you can actually use them to colour in your images as well, whether you're going for the same image repeated but using different of the shapes to colour it in, or whether you are actually creating more of a larger scene and using your blocks to colour in the different flowers or foliage within a scene as well. You can use them in all sorts of different ways, but they're just a fantastic set of stencils, and they look like this, so you could actually use them for creating animal print patterns as well, which I think is fabulous. Then, also on these cards, for the central section of this one here, as well as using those colour blocks, I did also add a beautiful floral design to the centre with like a daisy pattern on it, and this is from the Switchables Circles 2 set. You can see here we've got that gorgeous design, and this is another fantastic set for getting a bunch of different patterns of stencils in your stash, and you can do so much with these using the apertures or the beautiful patterns as well. Then, for the main stamping of all of these, for the rose card, I used the Happy Spring Sketchy Flowers stamps, and I just used this gorgeous rose in here. And for this card, I decided to use two different stamps. I did the flower at the 4 main quarters of a compass, and then I put the butterflies in between. And this is using the Hello Sketchy Flowers stamp. And two different takes on either using the same stamp all the way around or two different designs. For this one, the sentiment in the centre is from the All Occasions stamps. You have these small little sentiments that are designed to fit inside the balloons, but it worked perfectly for the centre of the wreath that I had created. And I also used my black fine pen to add a scribbled doodly border that kind of matched the doodliness of the flowers as well to kind of enhance that. And for the rose one, I combined the Happy Birthday from this All Occasion stamps, which has a coordinating die set to go with it as well, and you have the Happy Birthday die in there too. Plus, I also used the calendar stamps and coordinating dies to pick out the word June, because there's a few months in here, April, May and June in particular, possibly November as well, that you can actually use as people's names as well, which is a really nice way of using gorgeous month kind of stamps and dies too. So those are the two cards that you will see me create in this video. Hope you like them, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!